Okay, now I can talk because when the helicopters are going over, you cannot hear me. For 2 days now, I have seen 6 to 8 in a group. I can only speak for where I live. We never ever see helicopters, not ever. I mean, because they are low, you can hear them. Yesterday and today I've had them twice. So the skies are blue today. Clouds look kind of normal. The sun's very bright. I'm not even going to try to get it. But you know, the helicopters. When you live in a rural area, that's pretty funky looking. You know, for helicopters to be over a very rural area, you know, I mean, I don't know where they're going, but they never go overhead. So it's very strange to see the helicopters. But anyway, I'll attach a couple videos and maybe somebody can tell me what kind they are. I'm sure it's some type of military, but I've never seen helicopters 6 to 8 at a time in the same day. That's odd. Oh well, it's odd to me. Have a great one. This is not something you see every day in Illinois. Look at this. It's not sure which branch. I never see this many helicopters out here.